Have you ever wondered whether you can earn rewards just by sharing some of your unused internet connection? In this video, I'm going to walk you through Honeygain step by step. I will show you how the platform works, how to sign up, how to set it up, how the earnings dashboard works, and I'll also show you some Honeygain balance and its equivalent to US dollars. But before we begin, there's something important. This is not a get-rich-quick method, and I am not promising any specific amount of income. Your results will depend on factors such as your location, network demand, connection, and usage. Honeygain is a service that allows users to share unused internet bandwidth through its application. The app can run in the background while eligible connection is shared through Honeygain's network. In return, users can accumulate rewards based on the applicable earning rules. To get started, go to the official Honeygain website link, which I will be posted in the description box of this video, and use our referral code, which I will show you here on the screen. By using our referral code, you will get free $3 bonus on your Honeygain dashboard. Click the button to accept the invitation and follow the registration process. Create your account and complete any verification requested by Honeygain. Once your account is ready, install the official Honeygain application on your supported devices. After you install the app, sign in to your account. The basic concept is straightforward. You allow Honeygain to use a portion of your unused internet connection, and you will receive rewards according to Honeygain's current earning system. You can run this connection in the background. Now, let's take a look at my actual dashboard. As you can see, my current balance is 26,444.09 credits, which is equivalent to 26.44 US dollars. And the dashboard shows that I can now request a payout. So this is my personal account result. I'm showing it as an example of my own experience, not as a promise that you will also earn the same amount. You also notice the 5% loyalty bonus displayed on my dashboard. Features, rates, and bonuses can change over time, so check the current information inside your Honeygain dashboard before relying on any particular bonus. I recommend treating bonuses as an additional feature rather than calculating your expected income around them. Now, let's answer the question most people want to know. How much can you make with Honeygain? The honest answer is, it depends. Honeygain's current information indicates that earnings can vary based on location and network demand, among other factors. Instead, consider Honeygain as a way of earning additional rewards from eligible unused bandwidth, not as a replacement for your full-time job. This is just an extra income. Honeygain currently lists a $20 minimum withdrawal threshold for standard Honeygain earnings. So once you reach this payout requirement, you can request your earnings through the payout methods available to your account. So, is Honeygain worth trying? In my opinion, yes, since I earn some extra cash on this platform. But it depends on your situation. If you have an appropriate internet connection and you are comfortable with bandwidth sharing, You may decide to test this platform and see whether the rewards work for you. But I would not recommend joining simply because you saw someone claiming huge earnings online. Do your own research, and most importantly, don't spend money or change your internet plan simply because you expect Honeygain to generate a certain amount of income. That's the complete Honeygain beginner tutorial. We have discussed how Honeygain works, how to create an account, how to install the application, how rewards work, how to check your balance, how payout works, and the important things you should consider before using the platform. And remember, the $26 shown in this video is my personal result, not a guarantee that you will also earn the same amount. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any extra income ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day, everyone.